I'm going to be demonstrating how to secure a wheelchair today in a rear entry minivan. First of all, we're going to open the door, come to the back. This is your ramp. The latch is here. You're going to undo that. Being a manual ramp, you're simply going to lower that to the ground. Ramp is down. You can take the occupant of the wheelchair, push them up the ramp to the waiting front restraints. Once they're in, you're going to put the brakes on. Once the wheelchair is in position with the brakes on, you're going to come into the side door. You take the loop on the restraint and you're going to attach that to the frame of the wheelchair. Not on the footrests or the wheel, it has to be on the frame. You're going to do that to both sides. Now we'll come around to this side and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to attach that, make sure those are good and snug while not interfering with the occupant's feet or legs. To the back now, we've got these pucks on the floor. We're going to take the AMF restraint. That's going to slide on sideways, and then you can turn it forwards. And again, that's going to hook onto the frame of the wheelchair. You're going to do that with both sides. Once those are on, you can turn the dials to tighten the wheelchair down, safely secure the occupant. So next you're going to take the lap belt, which is the red belt. You can unfold it like that. You should have the buckle here and the two secondary buckles near the end. You're going to take that, put that around the occupant, lift your arms, snug on their hips. These are going to come down to the back restraints and clip in, and that can be adjusted so it's snug. You're going to take the shoulder strap, which is the black one. You take the one end and attach it to the buckle here. That's going to go over their shoulder, under their arm. It's going to come down to the back and secure right in there, and that can be pulled snug. Finally, we're going to lift the ramp. Again, it's a manual ramp. You're going to hold there, push that in, make sure it's latched. You're going to shut the door. You're good to go.